Hello, welcome to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I am here to open up winnings that has come all the way from Australia, and I'm excited to open it. All I did was take it out of its envelope. Let me open up the bubble wrap. I like to keep the bubble wrap. Oh yes, I recycle everything. So excited. Oh, this is the beautiful journal that I won, and I just can't believe that it's in my craft room in the UK. I cannot believe it. When Jenny pulled out my name, I had to pinch myself because I thought, no, that can't be me. Let me just quickly rewind it and see if she really did say Crafty Girl Chronicles. And I'm really happy. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is lovely. Right, I want to get through it now quickly. So a lot of it is made from envelopes, postal envelopes. Jenny has done such an amazing job. Okay, got a pocket here at the front, and I do have some journaling space, and then we've got a pocket here as well, another little journaling spot. This is lovely. Oh, I love mini books, you know. I've been meaning to make some, but I will get round to it. This is pretty, so pretty. Love the paper clip as well. And we have some journaling cards. Got these. Okay, so we've got those. Put them back in the pockets. Cute. She's cute. And then we have another pocket here. Oh my goodness, can't believe it. I watched Jenny make all these. I will link Jenny's channel in the description below. Notepad. Yes, I'd like you to pop over to Jenny's channel and let her know I sent you, please. We are cheering her on to get to 500 subscribers as soon as she possibly can. So if you could do me that favor and pop over, let her know that I sent you. Watch a few of her videos and like, comment and subscribe. I'd be really, really grateful if you did me that favor. This is pretty. So much goodies. Oh my goodness. This is, oh look at this. BU, absolutely. And we've got, this is lovely as well. Another journaling card. Lots of journaling spots there, and I will be using it to journaling. I really, really will be. This is lovely. This is so pretty as well. Oh. And this, so pretty. Oh, this is lovely. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. Isn't this lovely? All this work. So nice. We've got an envelope here. Oh, got some bits in here. Let's see what we've got. Lots of goodies. Thank you so much. I just cannot believe I have won. It's lovely. Honestly, lovely. I am going to make something out of a lot of these bits and pieces. I really, really am. This is lovely, honestly. This is lovely. And the little bow, so cute. Alright. And then another pocket tag. It's lovely. Another journaling spot. It's beautiful. Oh, we've got one pocket here and then another one here. More journal spots. I was just about to say lovely, and there it goes, lovely. And it's got this cute little Velcro, so cute. And another one here. Okay. Oh, writing pad. And I like the way she makes them and puts her washi on the top of them. This is pretty. Oh, so pretty. And the trim, so lovely. That is nice. Very pretty. Really lovely. I'm so pleased that this came to me. So pleased. It's nice. We've got hidden paper clip there with some notepads. Oh, and then we've got a tuck here with all different bits and pieces. That's lovely. Music sheet, more goodies. Thank you so much. I love the way she does the notepads with the washi tape. Tags and more journaling spots. Beautiful. Love the trim. This is nice. So much creativity and interest. So nice. Yes. There's a belly band. It says lovely again. It is absolutely lovely. Oh, these are sweet. I've got some of these. And you took time out to sew them at your sewing machine, Jenny. Really appreciate that. That's lovely. So that's the belly band. Right. This is nice. Really nice. A pocket here. Oh, enjoy the little things in life, and one day you will look back and see that they were the big things. Lovely. Memories. Another pocket with all sorts of bits and bobs. Look at that. Wow. It's jam-packed with all different bits and bobs. Oh, this is lovely. I like that. Wow. So many pockets as well. Lots of pockets. Lots of pockets. Lots of pockets. Really nice. The trim is so nice. This is nice as well. Wow. Okay. Ooh, lovely. Look at that. Some coffee or tea dye on scrapbook paper. That's lovely. That's nice. I've got some really great ideas from this already. Some really great inspiration. Oh, kangaroo from Down Under. Oh, more little goodies. Oh, thank you so much, Jenny. I really appreciate it. This is a lovely envelope out of Atlas. New South Wales, Adelaide, Australian map. That is nice. This is all so pretty. And it's even prettier in the, you know, in the moment, as you can see it. This is lovely. The koala bears. Oh, bloom. Lovely. Really nice. This is nice. I like this. And the trim. Lovely trim. It's pretty. So much lovely stuff. Beautiful. Got more in here, more goodies. Really nice. And more. This is a hidden paper clip. That's nice. The way Jenny sews the buttons onto them. So nice. Oh, look at this. Isn't this pretty? And trim. I love trim. Another envelope with bits and bobs. This is so nice. So nice. Nice as well. Different textures. Really nice. And here we go. Is this the last? Yeah. Oh. All sorts of lovely bits and bobs. I'm definitely going to sit down and go through it thoroughly. Really, this is lovely. This is lovely. I love this. I will be using this to write in. I will. Beautiful. Love it, Jenny. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the dangle is nice. Oh, look at Teddy. Little Teddy. So cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Jenny. Really appreciate it. And let's see what else. Oh, look. Jenny sent me a little something. I love the bus. It's a fridge magnet. Bring Australia home. Oh, it's got koala bear, kangaroo, a bird of some sort, another bear. Jenny will let me know what they are. Who's on the bus? This is beautiful. I love that. Oh, wow. I haven't seen one of these in such a long time. Oh, grew up with these. Oh, that is lovely. And I think a little note, perhaps. Oh, it says smile. Lovely. Thank you so much, Jenny. Thank you. And I am going to cherish and enjoy my junk journal. And look at what I've got. Souvenir from Australia, tea towel. Oh my goodness. Love that. Love that. Please, please, please do pop over to Jenny's channel. I will leave her YouTube channel details in the description below. I'd like you to pop over, tell her I sent you. If you did like this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.